In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a contact form on your Weebly website in just 5 minutes. Setting up a contact form is a crucial step for any website as it allows visitors to easily get in touch with you. Whether you're running a business, a blog, or an online portfolio, providing your audience with a means to contact you effortlessly is key to building relationships and growing your online presence. First, let's head over to Weebly's website. Begin by navigating to weebly.com. Once you're there, look for the login button at the top right corner of the homepage. Go ahead and click on it and you'll be directed to the sign in page. Here, enter your email in the space provided. Clicking next will bring up the password prompt. Enter your password and click login to access your Weebly dashboard. Now you're logged in and you're at the overview page. You'll see an option that says edit site. Click on it and this will take you to the Weebly editor where you can start customizing your website. The page you land on might be the home page, but what you need to do is navigate to the page where you want to add your contact form. So head over to the build page and select the specific area that fits best for this purpose. For streamlined contact forms, many prefer using a designated contact page, which you can click on directly within the editor. In the Weebly interface, you'll find various elements on the left-hand side. Scroll down or search until you find the contact form element. It's pretty straightforward from here. You'll click and drag this contact form element onto your chosen page area. Once you've placed the form on your page, you can begin editing it to suit your needs. Maybe you want to add extra fields, change the form title, or remove any unnecessary sections. Feel free to customize it to align with your branding and information requirements. You might even want to tweak the design a bit by exploring the settings available within the form editor. When you're satisfied with the contact form design and the information you've included, make sure you save your changes. Find the Save option, typically located at the top of the page within the Weebly editor environment. Click on it to ensure all your hard work is securely saved. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to set up a contact form in Weebly, just like that. By following these steps, you'll provide your website visitors with a direct line to